Hey all, coming to you from international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was at the 2018 SEMA Show, and I came across a 1966 Chevelle I think y'all gonna like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it. I'm a fan. I always wasn't a fan, though. I just never really dug this generation Chevelle. I like the ones after it, but I never thought much of these. But then, you know, the street machine craze came along. And yeah, you know, you slam them to the ground, put some nice wide tires, cool wheels on them, stance, get it right, and man, they're cool hot rods. And then you cover it in whatever color that is. That is just, man, you could paint anything with that color and it would look good. It was just absolutely beautiful. And that's what drew your attention to the car first, but then the rest of it, it's a very cool car. As you can tell, you know, it's set up to drive. It's not a trailer queen. This one's going to see some street use, and it should. I mean, look at it. It looks like it should own the street. I think the stance is good. Wheel choice is always personal, but I don't have any problem with the wheel choice they used on this. Interior, nice custom interior, fits the build. Not something that's going to be, you know, dated in a year or two. You're going to look at that and go, that's still 2018. It's got some European sports car touches with the gauges and the centering spot on the steering wheel. I like the little wing there on the deck lid. It's Ride-Tech shock waves up underneath there, keeping it planted to the ground. That's never a bad thing. I like how they blacked out, took off all the chrome, so you know it's either that bright orange or it's black. That really works well for me. I like how they brought the exhaust out of the rear fenders down there. It's cool. A lot of people try that, it always doesn't work, but I think it works on this. I like the speaker between the rear seats. You know, because back in the day, you could get a center rear speaker. One. It was an option. And it was expensive. I think it was like $10 or something. Which don't sound like much, but in '66, that was real money. Now I think they got this one right, you know, and the color, got LT4 supercharged up under the hood, latest power plant from GM, you can't complain about that. Smooth the firewall in the back, but it's still got regular inner fenders in it. It's not all paneled up so you can't tell what's up underneath there. You can see it, work on it, get to it. Again, I think that's all set up so that this is going to be a user-friendly car on the other side of its show life. And I'm sure it'll get out to a few shows before it gets put on the road and beat up. So there you go from the 2018 SEMA Show, a 1966 Chevelle. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.